So friends, welcome to the channel. Actually, I already implement a timer application here in Ionic framework. So you can see there is a start button. So let's click on start and we will see what's going on. So you can see after clicking start, the timer starts here and we have a stop button. So when we click the stop, it stops and we have again an option of start. So when we click again on start, it starts from starting. So this is the timer. Uh, for to implement this, we just install this plugin npm and run the command npmi timer node. So make sure you have installed this command before implementing this. So and this is the URL of this plugin timer node. So let's check the code first. So this is our HTML and this is our TS. So first let's check the TS part. You can see we just import timer from timer node at line number 3, and we have after this we have three properties: timer of type timer, which we imported above, and we have interval ID. We will explain why we declare here, and we have a current time. So we have three properties here: timer, interval ID, and current time. So when the app loads, we create a timer object here. You can see ng on init is call or on the web app loads. So we have created a timer object, and inside timer we pass a start timestamp property and we assign the current time. So it means the timer will start from the current time, and this timer object is assigned to the timer property which we declare here. So we have a timer object inside this timer property. So this happened when the app loads. So now we have two methods here. First is start timer and second is stop timer. And the button, it's simply shows that these methods are called by the buttons. So a start button called this start timer and a stop button will call the stop timer. So when the start timer is called, we have a timer dot start method. So basically timer is a timer object, this timer object, and we have a start function, start method of the timer. So what it will do, it will basically start the timer inside the application, and this interval ID is used to call a set interval function. So we can pick the current time of the timer for every 1 second. You can see timer have a method times, it will return the current time of the timer. So basically after starting the timer we just call the set interval function to get the current time, and at whenever this code will be executed, the current time will be assigned to the this property which we define above. So current time is declared here and it will show the current time of the timer. So start timer basically start the timer, and set interval function we just pick the current timer of the timer plugin. And a stop timer, basically we have a stop method of timer which stops the timer, and inside this we just clear interval to clear the set interval function, and we define undefined to declare undefined to the interval ID property. So hope you understand these methods. It's a basic simple method, and let's see in the HTML part. So you can see we have a grid. Inside grid we have current time. As we know already saw that current time is assigned inside this property. So the timer dot time will be assigned the current time property, and current time is bind here. So current time have three properties: h, m, s. H represent hours, m represent methods minutes, and s represent the seconds. So we just show like this the timer properties here, and we have the button. First is start and second one is stop, and only one button is at a time we are able to see. So we have a condition ng if interval id is undefined, then this method will be then this button will be shown, otherwise this stop method will be shown. So this is the basic code to use the timer, and make sure you install the plugin, and we have all the methods available. And also we have resume and pause method also available for this timer plugin. You can, if you want, you can implement according to your requirement. So hope you like this. If you like this, please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video. We'll back soon with some other video. Thank you.